Porsche is putting the prototype of the all-electric Macan through an exacting and grueling test program to prepare the follow-up to the successful SUV for its upcoming world premiere. As the first Porsche model built on the new premium platform electric, the SUV is a completely new development. The test process to ensure the perfect coordination of all components and systems is accordingly meticulous to making a new Porsche not only sportier, but also more efficient. Through this teamwork, Porsche succeeded in combining its design DNA with range-optimised aerodynamics. This was achieved not only through a striking silhouette but also through the components of Porsche Active Aerodynamics and other targeted measures. During normal cruising on a country road, the Macan automatically assumes its ideal streamline. The rear spoiler moves into the eco position, the air flaps close and the chassis level lowers. All of which makes the new Macan one of the most aerodynamic SUVs, with a major impact on efficiency. The ranges will be more than 500 kilometers for all variants. The electric motors in the new Macan draw their energy from a lithium-ion battery in the underbody, with a gross capacity of 100 kilowatt-hours, of which up to 95 kilowatt-hours can be actively used. The 800-volt architecture of the premium platform electric in the new Macan enables high-performance fast charging, which is being tested worldwide as part of the development process. To offer the broad spectrum between high performance and comfort for which the Macan is known, the engineers have deployed a Porsche Active suspension management system with two-valve damper technology, air suspension, rear axle transverse lock and, for the first time, rear axle steering with a steering angle of up to 5 degrees. To test the interaction of all active driving components under extreme climatic and situational loads, the test cars are used all around the world. From -30 degrees Celsius in Scandinavia to +50 degrees Celsius in Death Valley in California.